Welcome back, guys. As you can tell, this is not the Civic. This is my 2015 WRX, and in today's video, we're going to be doing a pretty basic job, or the pretty basic job, of changing the oil in this car. This car is sort of my daily driver. I put a lot of miles on it this summer, and it needs some love. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that. Yes, the wheels are off because I was trying to track down this weird noise or vibration that I was getting, not on this side, but on the passenger side. So I did want to just pull the wheels off to make sure that everything was good. This is a WRX, this is not an STI, but I did do the STI Brembo swap, as you can tell. I do have the rears as well, and those need to get done. So if you guys want to see more of this car or just that swap in general, leave a comment in there, leave a thumbs up. And I do want to get to this real quick before I get into this. I want to thank everyone who has subscribed lately. We're at 101 as of right now. I really appreciate it. And most of you guys like the Porsche 986 caliper conversion videos, which is cool. Those hit 1,000 views, so thanks. Here's your filter right here. It can't get easier than this. We will get under the car. And I do have a Fomoto quick drain valve on this car, installed on this car. And that makes it even easier. So mess-free oil change coming right up. So all you have to do is pop off this little safety tab here. You're gonna push up on this and turn that in line if you've never seen one of these before, and then the oil is gonna go ahead and drain out of there. So all you need is a oil drain pan and a piece of hose, and you're good to go. Nice and clear. So we're gonna go ahead. So we'll close the valve, and we'll drop that safety tab in there. Let's say a rock, piece of road debris, or a tire, or whatever it is that's out there on the road gets up there. It's highly unlikely that it'll open it because of where it is, but that's just an added sense of security. So oil change on a 2015 WRX, and join me in the next video where we go over how I got these into the Civic. Until then, stay busy guys. Thanks a lot.